In 2021 March, I uploaded a video of my transformation of vitiligo, and that video hit 30 million views. The main criteria is you should be proud that someone from India is representing your country at a global platform. Like, that's what you need to speak about, and that's what you should really be happy about.
Hi Astha, welcome to Who's That 360 NDTV.
Hi, I'm so happy to be here today.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you for your recent achievement. You have been to Cannes.
Thank you so much. This really means a lot.
You know, I myself see your content. I really appreciate it. You are creating like a beautiful piece of content, and it's been a while you are creating the content. How do you look back at your content creation journey?
Okay, this is actually it's taking me back to the good old days. Now also it's good days only, but remembering it back, I started in 2021. तभी I think COVID चल रहा था, तो लोग सिर्फ घर पे बैठे थे and no one was really doing anything. I was working at a bank. I've also cleared 2 levels of CFA. So my whole thing was only finance. I didn't actually want to start content. But I had this friend who was into content only, and उसने मुझे बोला कि एक बार सिर्फ try uploading. You always wanted to inspire people. तो एक बार just try uploading something about your journey, because people will get inspired. And I always, since I was a child, I used to keep telling my parents that I want to inspire people. I don't know how I will do it through my journey, but I want to inspire. In 2021 March, I uploaded a video of my transformation of vitiligo, and that video hit 30 million views. Probably it all started, and I didn't expect it, but like 2 हफ्ते में only I got 100k followers. So I realized that हाँ, मतलब people are taking it well. Of course, there are going to be critiques as well, but people are getting inspired through my journey. I used to get a lot of messages, and then I realized that, of course, vitiligo के बारे में तो I'll talk only. I used to upload motivational content, and then I realized why not even put in my hobbies. So I started putting dance videos. I started putting like transition videos, and of course now it's evolved over time. Now I'm majorly into fashion. That is like fashion and lifestyle. That's my main forte right now, but the journey has been insane. I've like evolved over time. पहले motivational, फिर dance, फिर like transition, थोड़ा fun, and finally अभी like lifestyle and fashion content.
You mentioned that you always wanted to inspire.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what was that one thing, that inner feeling that you had, कि you have to inspire people about this thing, this vitiligo thing?
So, I mean, I was around 8 years old जब पहले mom dad को पता चला कि मुझे vitiligo है. तभी हम लोग डॉक्टर के इधर गए थे, तो उन्होंने हमें बताया नहीं कि मुझे vitiligo है. एंड हम लोग घर आए और डैड ने बोला नहीं, कुछ तो ऐसे है कि ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, कुछ समथिंग इज देयर जो हमें बोल नहीं रहा है. एंड वी गूगल्ड इट एंड वी केम टू नो इट्स vitiligo. दैट डे वाज अ नाइटमेयर फॉर मी एंड माय फैमिली, बिकॉज तभी एवरीवन थिंक्स कि मुझे क्यों, लाइक व्हाई मी, माय पेरेंट्स वर थिंकिंग व्हाई माय चाइल्ड. But I was really young. I would not understand too much. My parents day one से उन्होंने मुझे strong बनाया था. Every night before sleeping, dad and mom used to tell me, don't care about how you look. The day you become successful in life, no one is going to care about your external appearance. So just focus on yourself, और कुछ भी नहीं. Every night before sleeping, this line abhi tak is just instilled in my head, because I've been told this every single day. मैंने मेडिकेशन किया अराउंड 6 to 7 years के लिए, एंड ये एक दिन आया. मेरा लाइफ was just like going to school, coming back, going to doctor, staying there for 5-6 hours, coming back, homework, and then going to sleep. I did this for 7 years of my life, and एक दिन I just looked at myself in the mirror and I was like vitiligo cannot define me. I am more than vitiligo. There's no point trying to cure this, because nowhere on the internet there's any cure to vitiligo. तो तभी आई थिंक मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आई हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आई स्टॉप ऑल दिस, आई डोंट वेस्ट माई टाइम, आई फोकस ऑन माई करियर and I become something in life. That's when people will look up to me. No one is going to look up to me कि हाँ इसने विटलिगो क्योर किया है, उससे no one is going to look at me. If I do something in life, that's when people will want to look up to me. So I think that's the day when I went to my dad and I was like, please ये medication stop कर लेते हैं and let me just focus on my career. And उसके बाद I started doing so well in my studies. Like it was crazy. Like the upward thing was way better.
Was it depressing for you, the kind of feeling you had, matlab going out with vitiligo in school? How was the scenario out there?
Honestly, my parents used to tell me I was a very strong child. I used to not even cry because mom, dad बोलते थे कि नहीं, I had a lot of restrictions कि you cannot eat chocolate, you cannot have soda, कुछ भी खट्टा you cannot have. तो restrictions बहुत था, but when I used to go to school, of course hate comments बहुत आते थे, but तभी if you go to see, those kids also, they never understood what vitiligo was, so you cannot really blame them. But other than them, there were like far off family members who used to be like, yeah, इसकी कभी शादी नहीं होगी, and you know ये वो बहुत लोग बोलते थे मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी. बट हम लोग सिर्फ घर आके मतलब 5 मिनट 10 मिनट का डिस्कशन होता था एंड देयर वी यूज्ड टू नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट. When I used to feel sad, I would sit in my room alone and actually cry about it. But then for me, waking up next day and learning new things was my, like, I would prefer doing that rather than just sitting in a shell and crying. So I don't think, see, of course, it was very depressing at many times. Self-esteem एकदम low हो जाता है, psychologically affect हो जाता है. Vitiligo is a thing ना, skin को affect करता है, कुछ internal organs को affect नहीं करता, but psychologically it can affect you very badly, especially if you're a young child. Like society, you know, the way they look at you. मतलब when I used to walk on the road, लोग सिर्फ मुझे देखते थे और अभी भी आई एम लाइक वेरी फेयर, तो सब अटेंशन मेरे पे होता है एंड वो हमेशा अच्छा नहीं होता. यू नो, लोग आके बोलते कि आपने फिश ऑन मिल्क खाया क्या, इसलिए आपको ये हुआ, आपको एक क्योर दूं क्या, आप ये जाके करो, उधर जाओ तो आपका ये क्योर हो जाएगा. यू शुड नेवर गो एंड टेल someone with vitiligo this. I feel you should go and actually tell them that you're beautiful, you know, like your skin is amazing, आप बहुत beautiful लग रहे हो आज. This will at least like uplift their, you know, like the sadness they're going through or the nervousness or the anxiety, like they just feel better. So yeah, feeling depressed is a part of it, but also eventually you gain that confidence once you get comfortable in your own skin.
How are you using your platform to like spread awareness about vitiligo?
So I don't know if you've seen my post, but अभी मैंने 25th of June को, yeah, World Vitiligo Day होता है. Every year on World Vitiligo Day. I did a
story as well on it.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. So it's like day one से since I started uploading content, hate comments बहुत आते हैं, not just for me but मेरे parents के लिए भी, and it's really sad. The way I'm using my platform is initially, like I told you, I started putting out my journey, people getting inspired through my journey. I used to get a lot of calls from rural areas, like, you know, they used to DM me and I used to get on a call with them कि they used to be like, you know, मेरी मॉम अलाउ नहीं कर रही मुझे मेरा करियर पे फोकस करने, वो बोल रही है कि आप पहले स्किन जाके क्योर करवाओ, फ्री में अलाउ करूँगी आपको. और someone used to be like, my mom is putting hot wax on my you know, on my skin and she's burning the skin trying to cure it. What do? I have literally spoken to these parents on call saying that please mat karo, like I have faced the same problem. Like I understand they are from the rural areas and they do not have so much education about it and awareness about it, but like, you know, it's a thing. Like I tried my best to speak to them, but I realized I cannot speak to millions of people on a personal basis. So I started making videos. I started making videos which could, you know, raise more awareness, tell them what are the myths about vitiligo, even talk about how it is caused, that there is no scientific cure to it. eventually people got to know about it कि हाँ, like this is what vitiligo is about. But now on the 25th of June every year I do some kind of concept behind it. Like last year there was a girl who was, so vitiligo has a lot of stages. Mine, I am completely covered with it. She was in the middle stage where she was like a little patchy, so we did an entire photo shoot together to spread awareness. This year I actually replied back to all my hate comments and my trolls that how much ever you troll me and how much ever hate you send in, I'm still going to be here and I'm still going to do what I want to do.
My next question is about that, the online scrutiny, not about vitiligo. Usually we see every creator is getting that. How do you
हाँ.
deal with it? And your take on that?
एकदम टफ सवाल है एक्चुअली ये तो. Every creator actually will have it's not just me, every creator faces a lot of hate, honestly. I think it comes out of a place of insecurity. जो सामने वाला बैठा होता है वो घर पे बैठ के कुछ काम नहीं होता तो वो बैठ के सिर्फ ऑनलाइन उनको हेट, उन लोग मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स क्रिएट करते हैं और सब जगह से उनको सिर्फ हेट सेंड इन करना है. The best part is to ignore. Initially, I used to sit and block them. I used to go to their page and I used to message them कि please don't send in hate. But I realized I cannot do it to a lot of people. तो अभी तो I don't even check my comment section इतना deeply. I reply to the the comments in which like they're sending in love. I feel it's better to ignore that 10% hate and actually pay attention to the 90% love you're getting, because those people are actually sending love to you. The only part that hit me was when they started commenting bad about my parents, because my parents are slightly duskier than me, and they used to comment stuff like you're adopted and ये वो. तो तभी मेरे को थोड़ा like लगा, but my parents are also strong. They're like, why is this, क्यों affect कर रहा है आपको, like just do what you want. Don't let the society affect you. बचपन से you've dealt with it, तो I mean you have to deal with it your entire life, so just live your life and be happy.
You mentioned that you are liking the comments, good comments, but I'm going pouring heart on every of your posts. You never liked my comment.
I must have not realized. I'm sorry. I like your comment now.
Okay. My next question is, हम cons की बात कर रहे थे, तो this time I feel influencer just swept the cons. तो एक ecosystem था, एक आया कि they are paying money for the tickets and they are going there. If section was not happy with it, they have shown their disapproval for that. Your take on that?
Okay. Firstly, I believe however you go and wherever you go, it is your hard work. So whether there is money involved or not involved is not the main criteria. The main criteria is you should be proud that someone from India is representing your country at a global platform. Like that's what you need to speak about, and that's what you should really be happy about. So I just feel you should celebrate in someone's happiness and not like try to find in loopholes to know how they got in this thing. Honestly, it was an invitation from Brute, and we were really happy about it. And that's why we all celebrated that. It was a shocking thing for me also. I didn't really expect myself to be there. But again, I remember telling my parents when I was really young, we were out of town and I saw this one billboard of Winnie Harlow. She's a Canadian model who also has vitiligo, and she was modeling. So I told my dad that one day I want to be there. Of course, I've not reached where she is. I'm getting there, and I think I am like one step closer. So Can has like ticked one of my, getting closer to my dreams. So I'm really happy I was there, and I'm thankful for everyone who sent in all the love.
I have one question about social media. Social media is all about number game. Everybody is chasing the number. Do you feel pressure?
Of course, pressure है. Let's be honest. कितना how much ever you say कि नहीं followers इतना matter नहीं करता. Followers do matter. Of course, eventually you have to be yourself. Don't try to fake it. If you try to fake it, कितना time तक you can fake it. Pressure है. But don't pressurize yourself इतना कि you're not you're not able to do it after some time, just enjoy your work. Like, do it nicely, let it go with the flow, see what people are liking, create more of that, create what you like. And it's a mix of two, three things. Like, just do what you love.
One message you would like to give the people who is dealing with vitiligo anyway.
My one line, which I love the most, I'm going to tell that to you. Your skin does not define you. You have more than your skin. Don't focus on your skin, focus on yourself, because that's what matters, and focus on your career. आपका skin, सबका skin अलग है. You are not different from the world. You are the same. आप सब लोग की तरह हो. Don't feel underconfident, and just love yourself and love life and live happily.
Okay, I have one more question.
Okay.
If you have to change your life with one creator, one contemporary of yours, your friend Joby, who would you choose and why?
Do I have to choose a creator, or can I choose like Winnie Harlow, because she's my favorite and I really want to meet her someday. I hope that happens. Creator, I think every creator का अलग है, like everyone का niche का अलग, तो वो तो अलग ही है. I would like to switch lives with, I mean, my thing with definitely Winnie Harlow. She is like
Okay.
amazing. Like the way she has, literally accepted herself, the way she flaunts her skin, it's amazing. So I really love her.
Okay, one social media page you would like to sneak in.
I actually really like Masumi Nawala, so maybe her.
Oh, okay, so one message you would like to give to budding content creators.
There is no tomorrow. Imagine you just have today. Start creating content right now if you feel like. Don't procrastinate. Don't think कि हाँ मैं कल बना दूंगी. And अगर बना भी दिया और views भी नहीं आए, चलेगा. 1 साल लगने दो, 2 साल लगने दो, but sometime you will get there. So start today, not tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Asa. That's it from our end. It was so great to have you here.
Thank you so much. It was lovely, the interview.
And you look beautiful, I must say that.
Thank you so much.